guess what? I went to Walgreens. It turned out to be a moneymaker. I don't know if this is too bright or not. I feel like my light's just really dim. But then I look really white out. Whatever. We'll just leave it as it is. But I'm here to show you guys my second Walgreens haul. It was a small haul, but it ended up becoming a moneymaker for me. So I'm here to show you guys the deal. The one deal I am going to take from Jeff Saves with Coupons. If you guys want, check out his haul. Is the Quilted Northern. Now, a lot of you guys would have gotten the $1.50 off coupon in this past Sunday's paper. I did not get that coupon, but there is a $1.50 off coupon that you guys can print from redplum.com. So this was $5.99. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon. You guys will end up paying $4.99 for this, which is an okay deal. But I actually had two offers in my Savings Star account. One that expires tomorrow, as in Wednesday, and then one expires for like a couple more weeks. So I scanned it, both the items took it, and I ended up getting $2 back with Savings Star. So making the final price for this just $2.99. There's 12 of them in here. I think that's a great price for Quilted Northern, and that's one thing I hardly ever get in my stockpile is Quilted Northern. So thank you, Jeff, for giving me that idea. I did the razors again. My store only had two, which is fine, so I bought two razors. These were $1.49. Some of you guys are saying that you have them for $1.99. I'm not sure. You could have the store price check them, but I think they're $1.49 and $1.99 at certain other locations. But these, you guys would end up paying $2.98 for this, but then you get 3,000 points, making it free. So you have until Saturday to do this deal, because this deal ends. It was an all-month thing, but can't go wrong with free razors, and these are razors that I plan on donating. I ended up getting this Diet Coke drink. I got Zesty Blood Orange, and then I got Mango, Twisted Mango. I'm not a big fan of diet sodas, but my husband sometimes drinks them. Otherwise, if not, I will give it to my in-laws. But these are 0 calories. These were just 2 for $2. You guys would buy 2 of them. There is a coupon that you guys can clip on the Menards website for buy one, get one free. So you guys will end up getting both of these for 50 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal. And if you guys want to try it, 50 cents a piece for that is an awesome deal. Now, as you guys see, I wanted to do the speed stick deal. I wanted to do the ladies speed stick, but the store that I went to on Sunday, they didn't have it. It was like dried up glue from the boxes. They didn't have it, so I looked online. Like, all the stores in the area had it, except that one location. So I ended up getting 4 of the ladies speed sticks. Now, a lot of you guys were saying you are having problems with coupons on Sunday. I am not sure. I asked the cashier if there was some kind of policy changing. She said she wasn't aware of it. There was nothing in the office. And I had 4 women's ladies speed sticks, and I had 2 men's speed stick coupons. All 6 of them in one transaction, and all 6 of them worked fine, no problem. So I'm just letting you guys know with that. So the speed stick, the deodorant for the men's and the women's, I'm just dropping everything, the men's and the women's, these were $3.19. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 50-cent off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's Smart Source. You guys would pay $3.78 for both of these, or both of these, whatever you guys choose. You can also do both of these, whatever you guys want to do. You guys get 3,000 points for just buying 2. You guys can pay with points, redeem with points, and you'll get points back. So there's that. So this ends up becoming just 78 cents for 2 of them, which is an awesome deal. So I'm getting more of those coupons. I ordered some from Clip to Save is where I order some of my individual coupons from. So I plan on going back to a couple locations and getting more deodorant because that's one thing I really like stocking up on. And if I plan on donating a lot of razors, I want to give away a lot of deodorant. So I want to do that. The last deal I did was the Maxwell House coffee. Now, these were $2.99 a piece. There is a 75% off coupon that you guys can use, okay? If you guys use that coupon, you guys will pay $2.24 for one coffee. You guys can also submit a $1 rebate on checkout 51. Now, it says you can't, but I've done it a couple times and it has worked. And you can do this deal up to 5 times on checkout 51. So you guys will get a $1 rebate. I got my money for it already. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. But you guys end up getting a can of coffee for $1.24. Can't go wrong with that. So this is a great product if you guys enjoy coffee. I do not drink coffee. My husband sometimes drinks coffee, but my whole side of my family, the men in my family, drinks coffee. So I'll just give it to them because they love it when I give them snacks and stuff. So that was my haul. It was a small haul, but I think I did pretty good. And I'm gonna go back to do more razors this week if I get those coupons. So I might do a third haul for you guys. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I do a third haul. But my total came to $15.24 for everything. I ended up getting 12,000 points. It was 9,000 points for the deodorant, and then 3,000 points for the razor, so that was 12,000 points, which is equivalent to $12. I ended up getting $2 back from checkout 51. That was $1 and $1 for the Maxwell. I got $2 back from Saving Star. That was the Quilted Northern. So this haul ended up becoming a 7-cent moneymaker. Not much, but hey, I got everything for free. I'm pretty excited. And it made my day. I know this is a small haul, but hey, there's that. But if you guys haven't entered my contest, you guys have to mail it. Probably today's the last day to mail it. I have to have it before Saturday. I am going to do my giveaway on Saturday evening. We are going out of town. We're going to Schaumburg, Illinois. Some of you guys are in that area. I know you guys might be excited, but I'm going to Schaumburg on Saturday. We're going to go to IKEA, and we're going to go to the Dollar Tree, and we're going to go to a couple other places. So I know a couple of you guys live down there. So if you want to meet up, let me know. I don't know where we're going to be at what time, but hey, I want to meet somebody. I haven't met any of you guys. But I will be doing my contest when we get back that night. So I'm going to go to the post office Saturday morning and check if I have any more mail in the mailbox. And if I do, it's awesome. If I don't and they haven't put the mail in yet, I can't check when we probably get back. So make sure you guys have it to me before Saturday. You guys have 3 more days to mail it out. So just letting you guys know. I've gotten a lot of your guys' letters, and I will make a video showing you guys who gave me whose letter. I'm going to try to cover up the addresses so none of you guys can find out that. But yes, I'm pretty excited, and those entries are going to be for future entries also. So I'm just letting you guys know on that. So pretty much, I don't know if I even mail it in tomorrow. I don't even know. Wednesday. I don't know if I'll get it by Saturday. So just letting you guys know on that. But if you haven't already, you guys know what the drill is. Thumbs up this video. So I know you guys enjoyed. I know you guys enjoy it. A lot of you guys love my Walgreens hauls because why not? But I will see you guys all another time for another Walgreens haul. Be prepared. I might do a third one. I'm not sure. If I do, it's going to be tons of deodorant. And I'm going to see if anybody else has the razors. So there's that. But I will catch you guys all later. See you later. Bye-bye.